What is up, everybody? Jason here with Jaspys. We just sold out our last filler here, guys. Giving away the last 5 spots in the Hit Parade triple case break with this 2021 Bowman Chrome HTA box number 34, guys. And again, 30 total spots. Everybody gets a random team in the MLB. And like I said, after that, we'll randomize the names. Top 5 get into the Hit Parade. So let's click dice roll. We got 6 and a 2, 8 times. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6 to 8. Justin down to Andy. I think so, Russell. I just think that it didn't move so much. So there's times where we kind of like, you know, take it off for a little bit and bring it back, just kind of like we did it with the helmets and stuff like that. So I know we have cases in the back, but you know, maybe that's something Nick decides to post on like tomorrow or Monday or the beginning of next week, you know. But we definitely do have some. It's just like I said, it kind of took some time to fill, and you know, I think that's probably why we haven't posted more up. But that'd be fun though. I like Prism this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. Oakland A's down to the St. Louis Cardinals. Alright, there we go. And then, of course, no trading, of course, but I'll let you quickly see your teams. Yeah, man, and congratulations, man. I don't know if you've seen the break, but you won that Kobe, buddy. I don't know if I'm a spoiler for you, but congrats, man. That was a fun mystery crate for you there, getting that full spot. So appreciate it, man. Hopefully you enjoyed it. All right, there's everybody's names there, guys. All right, guys. There we go. I know. I was just thinking that, Rex. I was like, man, I probably spoiled it for this dude. I don't know if Russell was watching, but sometimes customers just watching. Don't have to say they did it or not. All right, Shaylin Polanco. Tyler Gentry. So that Shannon Polanco's for the Pirates, which is going to Eugene. And then KC is going to Christopher. There you go, Chris. A little something there for you. And then Jesus Parra for Milwaukee. Milwaukee is Sportports. Alright, just like that, guys. Quick little break there. Filler. Now let's switch scenes and let's do the main giveaway, guys, which is the last 5 spots in the triple caser. There's everyone's name that bought in. There's a dice roll. Let's click roll. It is a 5 and a 5 10 times. 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 times. 10, 10. Just missed out, Michael. But Stephen Kendrick, you are in. Michael, you are in. Kev, you are also in. Christopher, you are also in. And Andy Bennett. I think one spot mojoed this too, I think, Andy, right? Sheesh. That's crazy, man. There you go. Congratulations to the top 5. There we go. After 10 times, we got a 10. And there it is. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, next video we're doing here is the triple caser, guys. Thank you.